Solana USD chart, 4 hour time frame. Okay, so just real quick, the chart, you guys know it's not looking the greatest right now. So I have a lot of rays over here, horizontal rays, because these are my scalp zones. Excuse my notes, but anyway, we've been in this range here. So one thing to notice before we say anything about moon, we definitely need to break this trend line, because as long as we stay in it, no matter what happens, this is where people can say we're still in a downtrend. And just if you just follow that line, think about it. We're holding our coins, and every time we rally and we respect that trend line, at this point we'd be at the rally at 25 bucks, which the previous ones were at $44. So until we break this trend line here, can we say that we've broken the downtrend? So let's just say right now, okay, some bullish news comes out, we hit here, likely just retrace here, and then we start forming like this W pattern, fall out, come back here, and then we break that trend line. This red box, obviously resistance, retest that trend line because that's what we do, and then guess what? That's what we can say now. We broke the trend line. So until we get something like this, can we say that, yeah, we're not in a downtrend? And ultimately, end of downtrend is right here when we break all-time high. So until we break that 5807 or whatever it is, can we say that the downtrend's broken and we're going to continue to a new high? So just real quick, wanted to get that out of the way before moon time. But even though this range that we've been in kind of, if you zoom out, it looks like a pretty big bull flag. So we were have these in because of the median of that range. We broke under it today. The only thing that I'm a little concerned of is because before, when we've done that, we're a little bit more aggressive with our spring. Right now we're kind of just, I think it's not springing up is because we still have some downside pressure coming. So I wouldn't be surprised if we reject here at like, what is it, like 25.50, and then this area here like about 26.13, and then continue to just grind here until we tag the bottom of this trend line, which puts us as 19 bucks and like 18 bucks. Purple bar right here is the extension of this cup and handle. So this is an inverted cup and handle, if you guys have seen these patterns. So the way you identify price targets usually is if you take the bottom, the pico bottom of the cup to the neckline. This would be the neckline where basically they touch, and that would be the target. So you would apply that to the neckline, top to the neckline, to where the breakout happened. That's what this is what makes this purple box. That would be the target would be 16, and then my larger harmonic would put us at 1546. Then again, if this ends up playing out, but if we reverse this and just start grinding up here and break these resistances, then more than likely we'll tag this again. You gotta keep in mind with visible range where we're at right now. If we start falling like under here, which is at like 2189, we can have a free fall here, like to like 1958, and if we lose that level, the next free fall zone is going to be like 1432. Max pain would be 1257 because this is where the actual uptrend really took off. This is where the major point, this is a major pivot because the price took a direction like crazy from here.